Hello everybody, this is Reviews and More, back with another quick food review. If you were at Sam's Club or Costco or somewhere else and you saw this little brand of lo mein or chow mein noodles, this is from Ajinomoto, and I'll put the spelling of that in the actual video as well as a link in the description. This is ready in 3 minutes, various stir-fried vegetables, and I'm going to call them chow mein noodles because that's what they call them. I call them lo mein. They're more consistent with, like, if you were to go to like an American Chinese restaurant, any given restaurant that's next to, like, you know, it's always in a strip mall, it's always next to a nail place, always next to the food, next to a grocery store, that group. The moment you get like shrimp lo mein, chicken lo mein, veggie lo mein, that's the kind of noodles you're looking at. It's not really chow mein noodles in my opinion, but that's what you're looking for. So you kind of see there, they kind of got that square shape to them. Comes these little donuts of noodles right there. Super easy to make. It says 3 minutes. I'm going to go and tell you it's about 4. 3 minutes get the outside warm and the inside still a little bit temperate. 4 minutes gets the whole thing piping hot and doesn't lead to any drying in this little stoneware bowl that I'm using. I added shrimp to mine. As far as the flavor goes, I would say it's a little less intense than like again, that standard American Chinese food that you get as takeout. Not quite as salty, not quite as sweet either. So we just throw it in the dirty microwave real fast. I'm kidding, it's not dirty. It's actually clean. The outside's dirty because we haven't cleaned it. But we just run it through there, and after about 3 minutes, again, it's not quite all the way done. 4 minutes was perfect. I threw shrimp in mine. It's $15 for 6, so about $2.50 a pop. Not the cheapest thing in the world, but you get something closer to that Asian-y kind of taste that you might want that you can't really recreate at home because this style of noodle is not available at most stores. That little square, soft noodle that you see in again, American-style Chinese restaurants. But yeah, so there it is, all piping hot and nice. The vegetables are pretty good. They're a little soft. I mean, it's not going to be the same as like a stir fry. Not going to be quite the same consistency, but the cabbage has still got a little bit of bite to it. All the stuff doesn't really lose any flavor. It just doesn't have quite the intense flavor I was expecting, but you can always add a little extra sauce to it if you want to, if you keep the sauces in your house. Other than that, guys, it's a good deal in my opinion, and the product overall worked out just fine for me. It's a very quick meal, and you can basically get yourself fed in under 5 minutes for under $3, which is kind of nice. So thank you again for watching, and have a great day. The rest of the video is just me popping the shrimp in there because I just add a little bit of protein, but you can do it with anything, obviously.